this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets! Alright! Glued on there, that's good. Alright. That's glued on there. And out comes the mechanism. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that was extra garbage there. Now what is this? Oh, he had lights in his cheek. Not in his cheeks. There we go. Let's do this. Let's see if we can.
The night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a.
Yeah, see right here. Look, right there, and right there, glowing temples. Glowing temples, I guess is what it is. Look at this. That's pretty cool. All right, Santa. I think we've had enough. Okay, so I don't even see a switch there, so it's just on. It's on all the time. And okay, so now we need to get the switch, and then we should probably remove those light fixtures. All right, so let's see here. There's the switch, and we're going to remove the stuffing from that arm. This is going to be great. It's going to be an awesome Santa Claus. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so let's get that switch out of there. There it is. Oh, that was easy. And in fact, you know what? Let's just do this. Let's just do a seam ripper, just like that. Out comes the switch. Out goes the hand again. The arm goes right back out. Okay. And then let's get up here into the head and get those LED lights. The temple lights. The lights that were, of course, sewn in. I've got a hold of one of them. Hold on. And that was sewn in there, so we're going to go ahead, and if I can do it without hurting my fingers there. There we go. There's one. Going to the other side. The other glowing temple. All right. Let's grab a hold of that. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to reach in with that one. Whoops. Lost it! Trying to keep all that foam in his head there. There we go. Okay, got it. Whoops. Had it. It's actually sewn in, so again, I want to try and get in there without damaging the Santa. There we go. Got it. So they should now just pull right out just like that. Oh, awesome. Okay, so now that's wrong. Now we're going to fire it up again.
The night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a.
There they go. Yep, just like that. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, let's just stop that right there. I think that's enough. But but no pun intended. But we're able to get to the Santa now. And if that, oh my goodness, my hand is just a little bigger than it should be for this little guy. But I'm almost there. Oop, almost. There it is. Okay. One there. Let's see if we can get the other arm in there. So I got my thumb and my pinky in the arms. Let's make those look a little nicer. Okay. Oh, that's too bad. Darn it. That's really too bad. Maybe I'll be able to glue it. But I'll tell you what. It ripped right here when I was removing one of the deals there. That's unfortunate. That was a cool Santa. Oh, that's too bad. But there he is. There's Santa. Ho, 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 ho. So, that was almost like Scooby-Doo doing Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Just like that. And that's what he's doing when he does his little noise. He's a whoo, whoo. Okay, hey, thank you very much for coming along on this journey. For those of you who have been here before, thank you for bearing with some more shenanigans. For those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for coming by, and please feel free to subscribe for all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.